Hello everyone. Today I want to answer a question I often hear from people, which is why is my marketing not working? um, First of all, let me say that I have a theory that it's always one reason why, and I'm gonna save that for the very end of this video. But stick with me because there are other things that are part of that reason. So I'm gonna start with those. Let's tease out all the reasons why your marketing might not be working for you. Okay, number one, you might have unrealistic expectations of what marketing can deliver in a certain amount of time. Okay, I think this is very often the case. We are bombarded by pitches for programs, for quick wins, that promise a lot of money in a short or relatively short amount of time. That's not realistic for most people. So you might just have a feeling that it's not working for you, but it might be working just fine. And you might have to adjust some of your expectations, okay, to more of what's realistic. Second, the problem might not be marketing. There might be unrealistic goals for your business or for your marketing. For example, okay, if you're selling $100 online courses, okay, you need to sell a lot of those online courses to make a good living. And we know that to sell a lot of courses, you need even more, exponentially more eyeballs on those courses, right? So sometimes we get into marketing and you might be doing all the right things and even selling some of your products or services, but you're not thinking about how many of those at the price you have to sell. Okay, this is why very often it's better to have a business approach at the beginning of a few sales for a higher ticket rather than trying to sell a lot of things for a very low amount of money. This is a generalization, it's beyond this video, but it's just an example. So the issue again might not be marketing, it might be some unrealistic expectation or not crunching numbers, okay, of what you're selling. Another reason why this is very common, this is I see a lot, is that you think you should be doing a certain type of marketing or be on a certain or use a certain strategy because other people do it or because people told you to do it, but it's really not something that resonates with you. Okay, so if you're a people person and you hear that you need to be on Facebook all the time, I mean, now Facebook maybe is out. Okay, so TikTok, Instagram, whatever, video like I'm doing right now, but you hate doing that stuff. So excuse me, you hate doing that stuff, so you drag yourself in front of the computer, you procrastinate, your energy is not there. um that's not going to work for you. The people who do well with a certain marketing strategy, they tend to enjoy it. Okay, even when they tell you, okay, I don't like it too much, yeah, but they still find a way to enjoy it and do it. So you have to go towards what you enjoy doing, because marketing has to be consistent. It's not something you do once in a blue moon and then you think people are gonna find you. Okay, um together with that, or not together with that, I don't know, maybe it's a separate thing, is understanding the specific tool or strategy you're using. Okay, so you have to understand the rules of the game for that one thing that you like to use. So for example, if you like to do collaborations, and get together with other people and collaborate on bringing people to your respective businesses, or create something together, you need to understand how that works, right? Otherwise it just might not work for you because there's a mismatch between what you're trying to do and the way it works. Which brings me to the real reason why I think most of the time marketing doesn't work. It's because we need to really understand the way it works. So very often what happens is that we relate to marketing like something difficult that we don't know how to do. So we go to an expert and we expect them to tell us what to do. And then if we follow what they say, we're gonna make it work, right? Well, I don't think that's the best way. You can certainly start by going, by learning from somebody. I think that's a great idea. But what you really want to do is understand for yourself how marketing works. And for most people who have been in business for a while, that's not as difficult as you think it is. If you're completely new to business, there's a little bit more of, you need a little bit more time, but it's not brain surgery, you know. And once you understand it, you can keep it simple and you can keep it effective. So under that umbrella of understanding, there's also understanding communication, understanding, how to express yourself or share your message. So there are a few things that come under that umbrella. But once you understand how it works, how marketing works, where to put your money, your attention, your time, your focus. All right, so I'm very passionate about this. I'm having it's the same workshop twice on February 12th and February 21st. You're gonna find the link. It's a free 1 hour online interactive workshop. There's no recording. Okay, so come with some question. It's really about understanding marketing so that you can start planning how to grow your business in a simple and effective way that works for you. All right, for more information, you can also check out repurposeyourpurpose.com.